When Cupertino was responsible for more than 30% of all new wristwatch sales in 2021, Apple's dominance of the market was essentially unchallenged. At this point, there isn't much that can reverse the trend. Although the Galaxy Watch 5 series certainly seems promising, the smartwatch that will finally unseat the Apple Watch Series 7 will undoubtedly be the Series 8 Apple Watch. Hey guys, welcome to Krrazzy Tech. Today we'll compare the Apple Watch 8 with Series 7. But before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Ring the bell to stay notified when new content is available. After the Watch Series 8 was finally revealed, we know pretty clearly what kind of improvements and goodies Apple has planned for its new watch. The Apple Watch Series 8 doesn't offer many design differences from its predecessor, but it offers many intriguing new health and safety features that will undoubtedly appeal to Apple Watch fans. Design and display. The appearance of the Watch 8 is essentially identical to that of its predecessor. It has the same lovely pebble-like form, delicate curves, and unmistakably unisex design. The Watch Series 8's color options have changed slightly though. The Apple Watch 8 maintains the larger display that the Watch 7 introduced, with a screen that is 20% bigger than the Apple Watch 6. Because everything is easier to see, using the Apple Watch is more fun thanks to the larger screen. It's easier to quickly examine your metrics or type on the keyboard. You can choose the case size that fits your wrist best from the 41mm and 45mm options provided by the Watch 8 and Watch 7. The robust and crack-resistant crystal from the Apple Watch 7 is also being used on the front of the Apple Watch 8. The Apple Watch Series 7 included IP6X dust protection, so it goes without saying that we're happy to see it on the Series 8. Additionally, the WR50 swim-proof resistance is undoubtedly still present. Battery life and charging. Both watches have an 18-hour battery life rating, or 36 hours with watchOS 9's new low power mode. Thankfully, Apple improved the charging process overall with the Apple Watch 7. An hour and 20 minutes are needed to fully charge, which is 33% less time than the Apple Watch Series 6. The Apple Watch 7 charges 50% quicker than previous versions, requiring only a 30% charge. The Watch 8 has the same quick charging features. Software and features. This fall, watchOS 9 will be available for both the Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch Series 7. Numerous new watch faces, such as the Astronomy Face, Lunar Calendar, Playtime, and Metropolitan, as well as some added functionality features, are some of the highlights. All Apple Watch models with an ECG on board will have access to atrial fibrillation history, which is basically an arrhythmia, brought on by the rapid and erratic pounding of the atrial chambers in the heart. The new body temperature sensor in the Apple Watch Series 8 is a new innovation. This hardware will initially be used to identify female ovulation and enhance period prediction. Vehicle crash detection is the other significant new function. The Watch 8 is now claimed to be able to accurately determine if you have ever been in a car accident because of several cutting-edge new sensors, including an upgraded gyroscope and G-force accelerometer. In such a case, the watch would automatically make an emergency call. This was all for today. Drop a like if you liked the video. Let us know which one you would choose and why in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more information, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel. See you in the next one. Bye!